So there's this other plugin. It's called Attractive.
Oh, dude, I was gonna tell. I was wondering why you were mentioning that. I was like, doesn't he know about it?
Yeah, so it's called Attractive. I mean, it's a weird
By
name
the
for a
way,
plugin.
WaveLab makes great plugins.
Interesting.
I mean,
I have to send me
sorry,
those. Oh,
traction.
Attractive.
Sorry, traction
Attractive.
makes great
Traction.
plugins.
Oh, traction is the name of the thing. So I mean, this is the first thing that comes up when I load plugin, and this is the plugin.
Yeah,
Interesting.
it's clean, nice.
I drop some reverb in it, which is why you're hearing it now.
Lots of macros. I like that quality.
Okay, so how do I navigate preset? Okay, okay.
You don't know about traction plugins? No. It's not audible. It's not audible. They have a nice piano in this. Another one. They have a really nice piano preset.
It's kind of quiet though. Close.
S bass.
Okay.
Cinematic. Very cinematic.
I like these songs. They're not. You can't be like, oh, this is just a duplicate of something else. It's not.
Mm.
I don't like the fact that you have to click it twice to change the preset.
Yeah, neither do I.
That's annoying.
It's double thing fast. You know what I mean?
Nice.
Yeah, man. Traction has some excellent sounding synthesis.
Oh, clicking it again. Oh, you clicked again. It's annoying. Oh my gosh, can you fix that?
They won't. They won't fix it.
So this is a while. Of course they're not going to fix it. No, you can't say that though, because there's been a couple companies where I don't say roast, but I gave them feedback on the internet and they sent me the new version of the plugin like, hey, I fixed it. There's been a couple,
Wow.
yeah, there's been a couple of them like that. But that was when I had the following, so this is I'm starting over. But I feel like this channel isn't hard to build, you know what I'm saying?
People know you already.
Yeah.
Can we talk about the graphic design of Traction as a
Yeah.
company overall?
Okay, yeah. It's dope. It's dope. I like that you can resize it thing.
Yeah.
I've just realized I've been on the same preset. That's annoying.
Huh?
I was like, oh, all these presets sound the same. I'm like, no, you're not changing the preset. That's annoying. That's so annoying, bro. Like,
And speaking of presets, what I love about them, you know, they will be releasing like a new preset pack in the next couple months or so.
for the free
You can,
attractive thing.
for this. Yeah, yeah. That's how they roll, baby. I mean, you can buy some now, but and 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 they're not that expensive.
That was dope.
Oh no.
Okay, so light just went off, which is why I'm not here and do it again. But interesting. So there's 808s out there. Oh, that's this. Let's try the Colossus pack. Okay. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's say roughly 40 presets out there. Not bad. Yeah, it's an okay plugin. So if y'all want to get this, you say Attracktive Vst. This thing is called Attracktive. That's hilarious. Whoa, I have no internet right now because the light went. So y'all on your own when it comes on to this. I'm not re-recording this at this end, but it shouldn't be that hard. You feel me? I just play the dinosaur game. You feel me? So, I mean, if you're still here watching me play this rubbish, I mean, you should have downloaded this. I'm giving you 5 minutes to download this. I'm just going to sit here and play the. Oh no. I'm just going to play this until you download it. When you come back, you can be like, yeah, you wasted your time, chill. But you're just sitting here watching me, and that's wild. I'm literally just waiting on the internet to come back. If it comes back, I'll show you. But like, this is wild. You see, it's night now, and you're still here watching me. That is wild. You really have nothing to do with your life. Yo, messed up. Connection was interrupted. Still no internet. Yo, download the plugin. Okay, please use common sense, type in Attracktive Vst, and you'll get it somewhere. Either on KVR Audio or bedroomproducersblog.com. So that's it. That's all the plugins. Remember to like, share, subscribe. You feel me? This is the new channel. I know my old channel, Dan Miller Studios, it got hacked and it got terminated due to suspicious activity. So we're starting back here. That's it.